Are you someone who's very deliberate about every step that you take? And whenever you set a goal in mind, you create an action plan for it. And if anything that does not go according to that plan, you feel deeply affected by it and feel like a failure, then this place is right for you, because in this video, I am going to tell you how life is not science and how you can achieve anything and everything that you want without following a single path. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Anushka Shukla and I'm a software engineer working in Bangalore. I have deep love towards mental health and self-development, and I am here to spread knowledge that I have learned from 5 years of self-development and 2.5 years of therapy. I always believe that to achieve something, I should be following one meticulously designed process to achieve that thing. And this is something I applied to everything I did, be it getting good grades and good marks in 10th, 12th, getting into a college, getting good grades there, getting placed in a certain company and achieving a certain level of fitness, everything. I felt that there's only one thing, one process that should work. And if I'm failing to not achieve that thing, then there must be something wrong in my process. So if I figure out that process, like what are the exact steps that I need to take to get there, then everything will be fine. Everything will be sorted. And I always struggled to get that steps and process right. And I always kept comparing and with others ki, okay, they are doing this, then this must be getting them to the certain level, but whatever I wanted. I had a lot of rules set for myself कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, अगर ऐसा करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा, अगर ये करेंगे तो वैसा मिलेगा. Like there was always ifs and buts and things like, being part of extracurricular activities because that is going to get you attention from the teachers and they'll consider you good and you'll get extra marks, blah blah blah. So every action was associated to a result that I was desiring, and there was always so much planning going behind every action, and with that came a lot of fear of failure and fear of not getting where you want to. And because of that belief of mine that everything needs to be meticulously planned and procedure that needs to be followed, I stayed parts of things that I did not want to. I became the student coordinator of the dance club in my college, and I was initially very happy, very involved in it, but I continued to stay a part of it even though it was no longer serving me, even though it was extremely taxing towards my mental health, towards everything, all the other aspects of my life. I still had to continue because I had this fear in my mind कि if I don't do this, if I don't continue to be part of the dance club, I will have negative repercussions. इतना fear of failure, इतना fear था of letting go of things, because ये नहीं पता था ना मुझे उस वक्त कि life is not a science experiment, कि एक certain step of procedures follow करोगे तो एक result आएगा. That is not true for life and life's outcomes. Sometimes you may get things that you planned according to the things that you plan, but more often than not, it is not true. We don't get the things the way we have planned for them. We get them when it is the best for us. And this mindset goes way back. As students, as kids, we learn that if you study well, if you study this textbook, and this textbook, of course you're gonna get good marks. Of course you're gonna get above 90%. Like, it was drilled into our brain that these are the steps that you need to follow to get a certain guaranteed result. But as we grow old and as we become adults, our life is no longer limited to a textbook, and we cannot definitely be sure कि यार ये चैप्टर पढ़ लिया और ये सिलेबस खत्म कर लिया तो अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे ही आएंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं होता है. You might be giving your all to a certain thing. You might be giving your best into a relationship. You might be giving your best to the job and the current job that you have, but still your relationship might fail. Still you might not get the promotion that you were working so hard for. You really cannot guarantee results based on your actions. I know actions are the only thing that we have in our hand, but इसके चक्कर में अपने आप को फोर्स नहीं करना है चीज़ों को करने के लिए. let's not force ourselves to do things based on the things that we have initially planned, and understand that life has a plan for us, a bigger and better plan for us. And this may seem mumbo jumbo कि यार लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ life had a better plan for me and ये वो, but that is true. I have experienced it. When last year I was going through the most difficult time period of my life till date, I felt कि what's the point of everything, मतलब क्या ही फायदा है कि nothing is going in my favor, nothing. I worked so hard for this relationship, or I have worked so hard to get a certain promotion in my job or whatever. There were certain factors. I felt like I did so much, but what were the results? Like there were no results. Then that's when I learned that you cannot guarantee results, because there are so many factors that are beyond our control. So then what should we do? The thing is, what I learned, the biggest lesson that I learned was, you don't get what you want, you get what you are. So the best thing that I feel that we can do is focus on becoming the person that you want to be. Focus on becoming the person that will have the certain things that you want in life, and rather than just focusing on the results. बहुत वही घिसी पिटी लाइन आ जाएगी वापस यहाँ पे जो कि एक्चुअली वर्क करती है. फोकस ऑन द जर्नी rather than the destination. Focus on the work that you're trying to put in without fixating so much on the results, because नहीं है यार, वो हाथ में नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है हाथ में. तुम कितना ही सर पीट लो, कितने ही एफर्ट्स डाल लो किसी चीज़ के लिए, बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं. अपनी हेल्थ भी, बल्कि हमारी हेल्थ भी समटाइम्स इज नॉट अंडर आवर कंट्रोल. हम कितने ही एफर्ट्स डालते हैं कभी कभी कि जिम जाते हैं, योगा जाते हैं, वी ईट हेल्दी, we make sure that we are doing all the right things, and still we fall sick, still things happen. So there are a lot of factors, again, which is beyond our control. But the best way to go with life is to not stress about कि यार ये मैंने गलत कर दिया, वो मैंने गलत कर दिया, मैंने ये डिसीजन ठीक नहीं था, मेरा वो डिसीजन ठीक नहीं था, अगर मैं ये करती तो शायद ही ठीक हो जाता. You can never be 100% sure about a decision, and your life again is not science, it's not maths, it's not 1 + 1 = 2. It's not a chemical equation कि अगर हमारे इनपुट्स ठीक हैं तो हमारा आउटपुट एक ही रहेगा. मतलब कोड नहीं है ना लाइफ की यार, तुमने कोड कर दिया कि ये आउटपुट आएगा तो हमेशा यही रन करोगे तो यही आएगा. That's not how life works. And as sooner we accept this truth and fact about life, the better I think we all will feel and browse or go through life. If you resonated with this video, then like the video, because that's going to help the video reach to a bigger and larger audience. And if you like the content I make, then please subscribe to my channel, because that helps me creating. And until next video, bye bye.